You've probably found yourself in a situation, at least once, where you have to enter your username and password again on Instagram. You might be wondering how to speed up the login process and make Instagram remember your details. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable the option to save your login information, which will make your Instagram account more accessible and faster to use, without the need to constantly enter your details. Ready? Let's get started. So, first, find the Instagram app on your home screen, open it, and log into the profile where you want to save your login information. Once you're on the Instagram home screen, the next thing you need to do is tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. When you're on your profile page, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on them, and it will take you to the settings page. Once you're in the settings, tap on Account Center. After that, in this section, find the option called Password and Security and tap on it. On the Password and Security page, you'll see a variety of options. There, you'll find the option called Saved Login. Tap on it. And finally, turn on the switch next to Saved Login Information to enable it. Once you've done that, Instagram will automatically save your login details, and the next time you log in, you won't need to enter your username and password again. This will make it easier for you to access Instagram, saving you time and effort. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.